The 5 executive buses were acquired by government through the World Bank Competitiveness and Enterprise Development (SEDE) project that seeks to support reforms to improve the business environment in Uganda. State Minister for Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities, Godfrey Kiwanda, says since tourism is one of the biggest sectors of Uganda's economy, there is need for more investment in critical areas to accelerate development.
Tourism is a multi-sector business, and we work together, because much as we can promote these buses, if there are no roads, if the country is not safe, if there is no security, really we cannot promote tourism. But we thank government, one, for the security, for the infrastructure that is enabling us to promote tourism.
Flanked by a number of private sector and public sector stakeholders, Honorable Kiwanda made the remarks at the official launch of the Uganda Wildlife Authority tourism buses and Tulambule 2018 domestic tourism drive at the Uganda Museum.
These buses have cost the government of Uganda more than $800,000. That is about 3 billion shillings. The 5 that you see here have been bought with the support of the resources mobilized by the government of Uganda and working with the World Bank through a project that PSFU is coordinating.
We appreciate government efforts, but of course there's a lot more to be done on the government part, especially the infrastructure. You've seen these good buses which have been launched, but of course they need good roads.
Over the years, transport to the national parks was a major concern. Firstly, the poor road infrastructure made it difficult to visit the parks, a situation exacerbated by lack of affordable means of transport. With improved infrastructure, the parks can now be easily accessed and have also spurred investment. Andrew Sigoa is the Executive Director, Uganda Wildlife Authority.
The price per person moving to the national park has now drastically been cut. So we expect that many more people will be able to move. We have created about 65 rooms in Queen Elizabeth National Park. We are creating more rooms in the different national parks.
These new investments by UA, Uganda Tourism Board and the private sector are expected to market Destination Uganda as one of the best in the world.
Isn't it beautiful? I've stepped out of one of the buses that has been launched today. This bus is one of the 5 that have been launched by Uganda Wildlife Authority that are meant to promote domestic tourism in 2018 and the coming years. Sigoa for UBC News at the Uganda Museum.